D9 3.0, any safety checks, maintenance, or anything to do before TCU tune, all-wheel drive checks, any weak spots in the AL552 or Torsen all-wheel drive. Is it normal for Torsen to grind a bit on a cold half-tight turns? Torsens are noisy, especially, they can be a little noisy, especially when you're doing tight turns.
If it's the sport diff, you can certainly hear that a little bit if you're at full lock.
I don't know about grinding.
Yeah, this is one of those subjective things we have to.
But if it's kind of more of a groan, I would say that's relatively normal.
You can feel it in the steering wheel.
Yeah, you get just a little hitching. It's like a limited slip.
That's how it's always been, even on the older cars. And the tighter you turn, the bigger the rotational differential between the inside and outside tire. So the Torsen has to work really hard in that condition. Either the center diff or if you have a Torsen in the rear. So that kind of the gears in the Torsen load up and are redistributing torque and trying to equalize, the torque between the two wheels. So it can get a little noisy. Certainly, like in what the old days when you can lock the diffs, it'll hitch and make all kinds of noise. You're not, like Audi says in the manual, you're not supposed to turn on high traction surfaces with the diffs locked.
Yeah. But yeah, I mean, other than I don't know if you mentioned, just fluid and filter services. We typically 40,000 miles or so is our normal.
It's a good idea.
Normal range.
Audi calls it lifetime.
Yeah, Audi calls the fluids lifetime, but that is not the case that we've ever seen for both DSG and automatic transmissions.
ZF says specifically 40K for that transmission.
ZF's recommending 40K, but even the DSGs we do same. I think the maintenance on those is 75 or something from the factory.